common problem with the USB-C connector, so you can fit a dash cam, is that quite often I found that the actual female connector has been pushed back inside the plastic cover. So I would suggest that you gently pull down the plastic cover, and I've used a piece of aluminium 20mm thick to hold the cover down, and what I've done is I've pushed back the black female connector back into its position, so it's actually coming out of the housing. What I'm going to do is to put some super glue on that grey and black area, as so I can actually fix the female connector in position.